Hey there, we're going to be creating a beautiful rug from Mexico using paper, fun scissors, and yarn. Let's get started. So to start off, you will need a half a sheet of computer-sized paper with 4 holes punched at the top and the bottom. You will need yarn. You will need glue and an old paintbrush. You will need strips of colored paper for your designs. And you will need scissors that make these fun kind of shapes when you're cutting. So the first thing you want to do is you want to think about how many lines you want on here. I usually tell my kiddos do 4, but if you can fit a 5th one, go for it. So go ahead and go through your different colors and think about which ones you want on here. So I think I'm going to do, let's see. I think I'm gonna not do bright pink or bright blue or greens. I think I wanna keep this kind of more subtle and then use these 2 colors again. But you can do whatever you want. It's your rug. So then what you do is, what I tell my students is you will take your scissors and you will cut and press all the way. And then when you cut again, you have to kind of wiggle this in and cut. Open the scissors, kind of wiggle it in, cut, and cut. Then you have to turn it the other way. And then you want to leave maybe about 1 finger length. Press all the way, scoot it all the way up, press all the way, scoot it all the way up, press all the way, scoot all the way up, press all the way. And then I tell my students, go ahead and just kind of set it where you want it, because if you realize you're running out of space, then you can stop and not worry about wasting paper. You can use the same pair again or get a different pair. And then same thing, cut, bring it all the way to the top, cut, bring it all the way to the top, cut, and cut. And be sure to take your scraps and put it in a pile where all the scraps go. Cut, cut, cut. And then this becomes a scrap, so put that in the scrap pile. And then just start organizing. Then get your next one. And then maybe get another different kind of scissors. Once you make this the first or second time, then by the 3rd time, it's really easy to cut. Perfect. And then set that here. And then, and see, this is what I mean by, you probably have room for 4. Then you cut. I'm going to try and fit a 5th one in. Let's see. Let's get a design that I have not used. Ooh, I think the volcano one is kind of fun. Oh, actually, I think I have used the volcano. Oh, well, that's okay. Awesome. Now you're ready to glue this down. So what you want to do is you want to just kind of move these to the side and think about what order you want it in. So I think I'm going to do peach, then yellow, then the bright yellow, then yellow, and then peach again. Now when you glue, this is the most important part. When you dip the brush in the glue, you want to take it, and I want you to make sure you're twisting that glue constantly because you don't want it dripping. Constantly twist that brush, and then I want you to very gently brush it across the paper and just put it back in the cup. Always put glue on the paper that you are gluing down. And then press down. Then get your next one. Same thing. Twist it so the glue does not drip. And you really don't even need to do like a second refill of glue on here. This is such a tiny piece of paper. Uh-oh. Be careful about that. Okay. Then the third one, same thing. You get glue, twist, twist, twist. Make sure you press down all the way. All right, time for this one. See how the glue starts to drip? And that's why you don't need that much, but then all you have to do is just twist. Put it back. Always put the glue brush back in the cup or the container that you get the glue from, just to prevent the brush getting glue on the table that you're working on or on your artwork. Oops, it's okay. Perfect. Now all you got to do is put the yarn in. Now the last part is we're going to take this and put it into these holes. So here's how you do it. You're going to take one and you are going to put it together. Take the ends and put it together where the loop is. You're going to take it, put it through the hole, and then put your finger through here, and then take this other end and slide it through, and then just pull. And that creates a little fringe. Let's make another one. You take it, you bring it together. There should be a little loop. Take the loop, put it in the hole. Then you just take it, slide the two, and bring it down. Oops, did that one wrong. Let's try it again. Slide it through the hole. Slide them both through and pull. Let's do it again. You take it, bring it together, take this, slide it through the hole, then you take this, slide these two pieces through the hole, and pull. And now do the rest. So now you are going to use construction paper crayons and draw some designs on your rug from Mexico. So you can do anything like zigzags. You can draw these kinds of designs, angle line, castle lines. You can do patterns. Then you can go back to castle. Then back to angle line. And there you have it. There's your rug from Mexico. I'm excited to see what you can make now.